Just like person out there. I went to the happy.
How you now?
They play well. Okay time. Okay time. Okay time.
You don't again.
A person now.
To me now. Person cola. I'm not born. I choose seven. I choose seven. Let's go.
Person cola. Cola. Oh,
I'm not still a beat me.
Like me. You know position your hand there like this. Jesus, my guy. You know Sam. What you give me, I will give you. Hello.
You say, who say? I the villa. Doctor Adi.
Okay, you find everybody else is ready to talk about you, Lolo. Say you beautiful.
Baby, we have been dating for 3 years, 3 good years. You haven't given me a handshake.
Don't worry, be patient. I will give you a handshake after marriage.
Baby,
You know you have not met my parents now. I will give you a handshake after marriage. Just be patient.
It's too far.
It's not far.
It's too
Just have
far.
patience.
It's too far.
Mr. Sion,
Hey, bros.
I can see you are busy.
Let me use the opportunity to introduce you to my wife.
Yes. Your upcoming wife.
Exactly.
Man, she's very beautiful. Esion, you make a very good choice. Shake me. In fact, her body is so soft. And baby, don't forget to give him your bonnet and your boots. Back and front. Eh? Enjoy yourself, eh?
Hey! Hey!
Nice one.
What I have not touched? Hey! 3 years, 3 good years.
Thank you.
For 3 years, 3 good years, I have not touched, I have not had a handshake. You come, you hug, you even mention the boot and the bonnet. Hey! If you come back to this house, it's me and you. 3 good years, you were hugging. I'm going to cut off his manhood. His manhood, I'm going to cut it off. My body is boiling. It's cooking.
What are you doing, man? Wait.
For good 3 years, 3 years. 3 years, you will have the talk. I'm going to...
Yeah, okay, you find everybody.
You see, you are even battling with biscuits. You see those guys in our church? We are done with our own battle. Hey! I'm planning to start another episode with them. You see those are choir mistress, deaconess, all those ushers, those fine girls, not the boys or those big food, they don't know anything. Those choir mistress, ushers, and deaconesses. I'm done with them. Yeah, man, of course. Check me. Even I'm planning to go and start another church.
Who is selling? You see that church? They are making noise. Stopping the full environment.
Of course.
Next week, I'm going to patronize everybody in that church. I'm going to deal with them.
You know those girls? I'm the one playing drum in our church. When I'm playing it like this, those girls they normally admire me and I admire them also. Hey! I'm expecting 3.
Young man, what are you saying?
My friend, shut up there. 2 from my church, 1 from another separate church. I have finished all those girls. Just pray the one coming from another separate church is not from your church.
I'm a man of God.
My friend, shut up there. What do you know about God? Sorry. Our new deaconess, the pastor just ordained her. I'm going to pipe her.
The Bible said...
My friend, shut up there. What do you know about the Bible? I have 3 Bibles at home. New version, old version. I have 5 in my phone. Take this.
Yeah, real man.
Even all these pastors nowadays,
they don't even have one Bible. They are using tablets.
They are the one that is even worse. They are the one doing it.
Using tab to come and preach in the altar. You don't make heaven.
Our new church.
Young man, listen to me. Now, you cannot go...
Shut up there! Shut up! Listen to you. Who are you? Even my pastor's wife.
That beautiful woman.
That beautiful... Do you even know her?
I know.
See. I'm going to Abuzumwe. I will go Bozumwe house.
No laughing. You will go bozu. My wife. You will go bozu.
He's my...
Gospel is the race, Christ is the chase, heaven is the place, His throne is the grace. Christ is my definition. Heaven is my satisfaction.
Hello, Romeo.
Who's there?
It's me, your dad.
What's the problem?
Please come and open the gates.
No, Dad, I'm not coming. You beat me.
Ah, you are my son. I can't beat you, okay?
Dad, are you sure?
I'm sure, definitely.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm coming.
Oh, good boy. I like that. Wow. How you doing?
I'm fine,
Ah,
Dad.
give me a hug. Give me a hug. I have a special thing for you.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
They say life is a competition, but Jesus only is the solution. I fell many times, I couldn't rise. Playing on the
Samuel,
Who's there?
come and put this gate.
No, Daddy, you beat me.
No. I won't beat you. I'm just coming back from the church.
Daddy, you beat me.
I'm forgiving you. Don't worry, I won't beat you.
Daddy, are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay, I'm coming.
Very good. That's my boy. Samuel. Good boy.
Welcome, Daddy.
Ojo,
Yes, Papa.
my friend, come and put this down.
No, Papa, you beat me.
Come and put this down. Are you mad?
Papa, you beat me. I'm not going, Papa.
Yes, of course. I'm not gonna beat you. Come and put this down.
No, Papa,
Foolish boy.
I'm scared. I'm afraid. I'm feared.
Ojo,
Papa, you beat me, Papa.
will I not beat you before? Ojo, if I meet you,
Papa, I will not open the door.
You will not open this door?
I will open it.
Ojo, you know.
Papa, I will not open it.
Two.
Good morning.
Good morning. But as you can see, I'm sitting down here.
And so I should not sweep. Later you say I'm a dirty woman.
No wahala. Sit in my body. Enjoy yourself.
Pastor.
My daughter.
Good morning.
Bless you, my daughter.
School better now.
How you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, where's your husband? Papa Ojo. Papa Ojo.
Don't worry, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Exactly.
You people were not in the last fellowship, so I came to check up on you.
Ask her.
Yes, we went for family meeting.
Oh, you went to family meeting. I hope everything is fine.
Yeah, fine though.
Hello. Everything was supposed to be okay. For her, everything is okay. For me, everything is not okay. The way she greeted you just now, hope it was fine.
Definitely.
Okay. My wife here, she will never greet me like that. She will always call me Papa this, Papa that, Papa Ojo, Mama Iguana, the other one. Sweet names will never allow her to call me.
My daughter, is that true?
It's true, Daddy.
That is very wrong. Tactically, man is the head of the family. That is what the Bible says.
Okay.
If you kneel down to greet me, lie down to greet your husband.
Okay.
That is the way things ought to be done.
Okay.
Call him sweet name.
Okay.
My daughter, please change.
Okay, Daddy.
Papa Ojo, she will change from now on.
Chameleon.
My daughter, please change.
I will.
Thank you. Please, those one you greeted me for, retweet them to me.
Ah, my husband, honey. Sugar pie.
Okay.
Good morning.
Very good.
Papa Ojo.
Now I'm enjoying the dividend of marriage to, you understand.